Hello everyone, this question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of lines and angles. This is fourth question of its exercise 5.2. So the question says that find the value of x in each of the following figure. L is parallel to M. So इसे हम एंगल y assume कर लेते हैं. So एंगल y is equal to 110 डिग्री. ये y इक्वल हो जाएगा इसके रीजन हो जाएगा हमारे पास corresponding angles. So angle x plus angle y is equal to 180. ये जाएगा हमारे पास लीनियर पेयर. So angle x is plus 110 is equal to 180. So angle x is equal to 180 minus 110. So angle x is equal to 70 degree. Then in second, angle x is equal to 100 degree. x 100 के इक्वल हो जाएगा because of reason हो जाएगा हमारे पास corresponding angle. Thank you.